This small thing prevents your Dell power cable from accidentally falling out of its port, while still allowing it to rotate. Moving it now takes a considerable amount of force. I had to remove the corners of the outer parts, since my printer has problems resolving these properly. Check that the part rotates easily. In the end, I opened it up again to align the part properly. If you get it right the first time, the part should end approximately half a millimeter before the blue light. You can skip this step. Thanks for watching. Bye.